Hello friends, welcome to Code Crush Coding. In this video we are going to learn how to merge the two dictionaries. So let's say I have two dictionaries here, which is dictionary 1 and dictionary 2. These are the name of the variables, and here I have the values of dictionary. So first dictionary has length 2 because we have two key value pair. First one is key 1 which has the value apple, then key 2 which has the value orange. After that we have second dictionary which also has the size 2, as we have two key available here. First one is key 3 which has the value mango, and then key 4 which has the value grapes. Now what we want to do, we want to merge or combine these two dictionaries into a single dictionary. So how we can do this? So we are going to see two ways in which we can merge the dictionary. So let's start with the first one. The first way is to make use of the method update. So how you can do this? So let's say you want to add this dictionary 2 inside the dictionary 1. So how you can do this? So you need to add it in dictionary 1. So you will say dictionary 1 dot, and here you have the built-in method update. So update, and you need to update that with dictionary 2. So you can directly provide the name of variable dictionary 2. So what this statement will do, this statement will update dictionary 2, means all the values of dictionary 2 inside dictionary 1. So whatever the content of dictionary 1 is there, after that the content of dictionary 2 will be appended. So let's print dictionary 1 here, print dictionary 1, and we will also print dictionary 2, print dictionary 2. So let's save this code and run now. So we had provided dictionary 1 only two keys, right? 1 and 2. But here in the final output after this statement, we are getting print dictionary 1. Here 1 for apple, 2 orange, 3 mango, and 4 grapes. The content of dictionary 2 is also added. And dictionary 2 is having that particular values only. But our dictionary 1 is updated now. So what will happen if, let's say, in the dictionary 1 we had 1 and 2 key, right? And also in dictionary 2 we have 2 key again. So in dictionary 1 also there is 2 key, and in dictionary 2 also there is 2 key. So similar key is available, right? So what it will do, let's run this code now. So here you can see now the size of dictionary 1 is only 3, but here you can see in dictionary 1 there were 2 items, and in dictionary 2 there were 2 items. So in total it should have 4 items, but we are getting only 3 items. Why we are getting 3 items here? Because first one is apple, then second one is orange, now again second is mango. So this key is updated. Now what will be the value of 2? It will be mango. It is not having the orange value because it is getting updated, because we can't have duplicate keys in the dictionary. And after that we are getting 4 for grapes. So in this way the dictionary is getting updated internally, because here we have the duplicate key 2 and its value is getting updated to mango, and dictionary 2 is similar that we have provided with 2 and 4. Now what will happen if I want to add dictionary 1 items in dictionary 2? So here you need to change the sequence, like you need to update dictionary 2 with the values of dictionary 1. So let's see what change we are getting here. So now dictionary 1 will be unchanged, like we are whatever values we are providing in dictionary 1, that we are getting here apple for key 1 and orange for key 2. Now dictionary 2 is getting updated with the values of dictionary 1. So first of all dictionary 2 will be printed, which will be 2 for orange. Now why we are getting 2 here? First it will be mango only, 2 for mango, then 4 for grapes. After that it will be 1 for apple. So here we have 1 for apple, and then again 2 is getting updated to orange. So earlier it was mango, now we are getting updated to orange. So here you can see we are getting the updated value only. So in this way the update function is internally working. It is updating our dictionary with the another dictionary, and if the keys are multiple then it will update it with the recent value, which will be the latest value. So what we were doing here, we were updating the existing dictionary only, like we had dictionary 1, then we were updating it with dictionary 2, and in similar way we had dictionary 2, we were updating it with dictionary 1. But what we don't want to update the existing dictionary, we want to create a new dictionary. Let's say dictionary 3 we want to create, and we need to update the values of these two dictionaries inside this dictionary 3. So how we can do this? So there is a star star operator. With the help of this we can achieve this. So let me show you one concept of this operator, then you will understand how we can do this. So let me provide here a print statement, print, and what I was talking about, the star star operator. So before using that, there is a keyword called dict. So dict you need to provide, and inside this dict you need to say star star and whatever dictionary name you want to provide. Let's say I want to provide dictionary 1 here, dict 1. So what this statement will do, it will print the content of dictionary 1. Let me run this code. So see, I'm getting here the content of dictionary 2 with the help of this keyword and these two star operators. And here if I say dict 2, then it will provide me the content of dictionary 2, right? So with the help of this operator, you can combine two existing dictionaries. Let's say I want to have a third dictionary here, which is dict 3, which is our dictionary 3. And inside this dictionary, as we know, dictionary is defined by the curly braces. So this is empty dictionary now, but we want the content of both the dictionaries. So what I will do, I will provide star star dict 1. So with this we will get the values of dictionary 1, and also we want the values of dictionary 2. Then I will say again star star dict 2, right? So let's save this and run now. As we haven't provided any print statement here, let's say print dictionary 3. Let's run this code. So see, we are getting here the updated dictionary like dictionary 3, and let me provide also dictionary 1 and dictionary 2 because they will remain unchanged now. Print dictionary 2. Let's have this below dictionary 1 and dictionary 2. First we will print dictionary 1, dictionary 2, and then dictionary 3. Let's run this code. So see, we are having dictionary 1 with key 1 apple, 2 orange, then dictionary 2 2 mango, 4 grapes, and then we are adding dictionary 1 and dictionary 2. So first dictionary 1 items will be printed, so which is 1 for apple, then 2 for orange. So it will print orange, means internally it will have the value orange, but then we are printing dictionary 2 items, so 2 will get updated with mango. So we have the latest value for 2 key, which is mango, and then 4 key, which has the value grapes. So in this way, with this help of this star star operator, you can combine two dictionaries. You can also have multiple dictionaries here. Let's say if you have another dictionary here, something another dictionary, let's have a name as dictionary 4, and you want also that dictionary in dictionary 3, so you can separate it with comma and provide star star dictionary 4. So in this way you can merge multiple dictionaries also. So that's it in this video. We will cover another topics in next video. Thank you for watching.